So today is going to be a get ready with me video. I'm getting ready to go out to the mall just to do some shopping with my family. We're just going to get right into the video. I don't want to talk too much. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button below and thumbs up this video. Follow me on all of my social media. Enjoy. I'm gonna start off with a primer. Then I'm gonna apply the Born This Way foundation from Too Faced in the shade Chestnut. You guys know I absolutely love this foundation. It's my go-to. I'm just going to color correct with this Loreal foundation. It's in the shade 312. It's darker than me, so hopefully it helps to just hide the pigmentation I have right there. To highlight, I'm going in with my Maybelline Concealer in Cafe. And Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand. I'm going in with Dark Cocoa to contour. Spraying this brush with some Fix Plus, and then I'm going to just use this to blend out my contour. Using my Sacha Buttercup powder to set my face.
Now I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth powder in Deep to contour. And I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Kit just to contour my nose as well.
Okay, I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. So I'm starting off with burnt orange. I'm going to go in with sienna. And I'm just popping that in this little outer corner. I'm going in with Sultry. I've only used one brush.
I put on some liner in my waterline and put on these lashes that I got from eBay. And I also put some mascara on my bottom lashes. And I'm using this lip liner from Ruby Kisses and it's in the shade Roasted Coffee. And I'm using this lipstick from Patrick Starr. It's from his first collection. The blush I'm using is from Makeup Forever.
So guys, I wasn't filming when I was putting on my highlights, so yeah, sorry, but it's really pretty. It's very subtle though. I was expecting it to be a bit more boom, you know, like in your face. But anyways, that's all. This is my look. Lip gloss. Don't forget your lip gloss.